Hey guys, here's the new Air IQ remote. This is long awaited. It's not even on the ReadyLift website yet, but I got my hands on it today. Today's what, April 12th. I had these on order for a little while, but I've been working with the guys at ReadyLift really closely on some of this stuff. So really excited to have it. Cool thing is you got a dedicated remote. Your phone can be tied up with like a million other different things. So I really like that you have a dedicated remote option for those guys that care about it, those guys that are using this a lot. We have that on the website, so you'll be able to check out our website, ScovilleMotorsports.com. I'll post the link somewhere near where you're going to see this video or content. 200 feet, that's pretty cool. Comes with the batteries already, lifetime warranty. Comes with all this stuff right here. It's kind of cool. You got your remote, you got the batteries included. You got this little clip-in deal here, which, you know, you can sit up on your, I think it's made for your visor, it says. So if I could get that up here with one hand. So that's kind of cool. Get this guy and stick it up here. You got an optional USB-C cable in case maybe your batteries die. Not entirely sure yet. I haven't played with it too much yet, but I'm going to right now. But I wanted to show you guys in a quick video what we got going on right here. And yeah, we're gonna get this thing set up. So all I did was stick in the batteries. And what do we got here? You guys are learning with me. Oh, on back. Oh, that's kind of cool. So now it's scanning. So I have a cool little button over here. Sorry, it's a mess. But I actually have my compressor not ran to my accessory wire. I have it ran right here. And I didn't need to do that, but I was already running the switch panel anyways with all my lights and stuff. So let's click unlock on the back. Connect app to Air IQ and navigate to menu, update ECU firmware. So looks like we'll probably jump to doing that. Okay, so basically we went into the settings and then we hit the top left of the screen and then went to settings all the way at the bottom, and it just says update Air IQ. You can't miss it. So updating the firmware right now, it's going to do that. And then once the firmware is updated, then it's going to accept this guy right here. If you don't buy one of these remotes, I'm pretty sure I did not have the battery voltage right there. That's really cool. Reads the voltage from the truck. All right, we did our, oh nice. So we did our update, and literally the second I clicked this, it, like, I'm guessing is automatically attached to it. So we need to read the instructions, but I'm assuming that's the left side. Yeah. That's airing them up together. That is super cool. Oh, and then there's different presets. So unloaded preset is 10 PSI. That's cool. And then we can set our other presets. At any given moment, it's going to be like this. Once you get the thing to wake up, usually the screen's going to be black, of course. And then just click that unlock button. And then we can run it down to 0. And obviously this and the compressor work with any other airbags and stuff too. Especially if you have something custom set up like me. But anyways, this works with the compressor, and even if you have different airbags right now, I have different ones on the truck because of something custom I'm doing. But you can run the compressor and this remote with really any airbags on the market. So I just want to let you guys know that too. And if you got any other questions, let us know. I just want to show you guys this thing right when it came out. Sorry, it's kind of just like a thrown together video from my phone, but it's better than nothing, so you guys can understand exactly what this is. I'm gonna go throw these on the website for you guys and leave this guy right here. And we're all done. Super cool. I don't think this thing's gonna really slip at all either, because it's got some rubber on the end of it. I like that. Not a bad setup.